Hello everyone, and welcome to the Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ChatGPT error that says, unusual activity has been detected from your device. Please try again later. Let's get started. First, head over to the ChatGPT website. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Log Out. After that, click Log In and sign back into your account. Sometimes this simple step is all it takes to fix the issue. If that didn't work, open a new incognito window. To do this, click the three dots in the top right of your browser and select New Incognito Window. Now go to the ChatGPT website and try using it from there. This helps in case the issue is related to cookies or cache. Still not working? Then it could be one of your browser extensions. Click the three dots again, go to Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. Now go through the list and toggle off any extensions you don't absolutely need. After that, refresh ChatGPT and see if the error is gone. That's it. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. As always, thanks for watching and see you in next video.